Good morning, students. Now, till now, what we have studied is heat. What is a hot object? What is a cold object? And how we can measure how hot or cold an object is. The instrument used for degree of hotness, that is temperature, is called thermometer. Here. Now, thermometer, we have studied there are two types, clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Now you have studied about all this. What are the precautions that we should take while measuring the temperature, how to deal a clinical thermometer and how to deal a laboratory thermometer. This all we have already discussed. Now if this transfer of heat takes place in solid, we call this as conduction. Here you can see this in this paragraph. The process by which heat is transferred from hotter end to colder end of an object is known as conduction. In solid, generally the heat is transferred by the process of conduction here. Now, conduction is related with solids. In case of liquid, water also gets heated. For example, here the water is in this beaker. There is a flame that is burning at the bottom of this beaker. Now, only this portion of beaker is getting heated directly, but in some time, even the water that is present at this level will also get heated. How this happens? This happens because the water that is at the bottom near the flame gets hot. It gets hot. Then hot water rises up. Then cold water, which is at the top, it moves down towards the source of heat, that it comes downward. Then it gets hot. Hot water goes upward. Over here, cold water is there. It again comes downward. In this way, with the movement of particles, the water gets heated. Now, this process by which water is getting heated, we have a name for it, and this is called convection. So, by the process by which water gets heated is called convection.